Imagine this. You want to start vlogging, but you think you need a $2,000 camera, a $500 microphone, and expensive lighting gear. Here's the truth. You don't. Right now, the phone in your pocket is powerful enough to produce high-quality, professional-looking content. The only difference between you and the creators with polished videos is not their camera. It's their setup. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn your phone into a pro vlogging machine with just a few cheap accessories and some smart AI hacks that will make your videos look like they were shot in a studio. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share a bonus AI trick that can automatically turn your raw video into a fully edited vlog without you touching a timeline. Whether you're vlogging for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or just documenting your life, you don't need to wait until you can afford an expensive setup. I'll break this video into two parts: hardware, budget gear that instantly upgrades your video and audio; AI hacks, powerful, often free software tools that edit, enhance, and polish your videos automatically. By the end, you'll have a complete workflow that turns your phone into a pro vlog studio for under $150. Part 1. Cheap hardware setup 1. Tripod and mount. The very first thing you need is stability. Nobody wants to watch shaky footage. A tripod instantly gives your videos that polished, professional feel. Ubezai's tripod. It costs around $20. It's flexible, lightweight, and comes with a phone holder. Perfect for desk setups or outdoor vlogging. Joby GorillaPod 3K Kit. This cost around $50. A bit more expensive, but worth it. The bendable legs grip onto anything: poles, fences, branches, which is perfect for vlogging on the go. Always make sure your tripod mount is compatible with your phone's width. Most mounts stretch up to 3.5 to 4 inches, enough for modern iPhones and Androids. 2. External microphone. Next is audio. Viewers will forgive shaky video, but they will not forgive bad sound. Two great budget options: Rode SmartLav plus lavalier mic. You will get this around $59. Plugs directly into your phone. Crisp, clear audio, perfect for talking head vlogs. BOIA by M1. This cost around $15. The most popular budget lav mic works with both smartphones and cameras. 6-meter long cable, so you can step back and still sound great. If you're vlogging outdoors, consider a mini shotgun mic. Rode Video Micro, cost about $49. Compact, comes with a dead cat windscreen to reduce wind noise. I recommend you use a $10 TRRS to TRS adapter if your mic doesn't plug directly into your smartphone. 3. Portable lighting. Lighting makes the biggest difference to how expensive your video looks. You don't need studio lights. Alonzi VL49. This cost around $20. Pocket-sized LED light, magnetic back, adjustable brightness, and 2,000 mAh battery. Great for face lighting. Neewer ring light kit. This cost around $30 to $40. Popular among vloggers and streamers. Provides soft, even light for indoor shoots. Budget tip: if you don't want to buy lights yet, record near a window with natural light, and just use a white bedsheet or cardboard wrapped in foil as a reflector. 4. Clip-on lenses. Want that cinematic wide look without buying a new camera? Use clip-on lenses. Apexel 4K HD wide-angle lens. This cost around $35. Sharp glass. Gives you that open, vlog-style perspective. Moment lenses. This cost around $99 plus. A bit pricier, but industry standard. Their wide-angle and anamorphic lenses give your phone footage a true cinematic feel. Just clip it on, and your iPhone or Android suddenly feels like a mirrorless camera. 5. Phone gimbal for smooth, cinematic shots. A gimbal is a game changer. DJI Osmo Mobile SE. This cost around $109. Budget-friendly and reliable. Great stabilization, gesture control, and tracking. Zhiyun Smooth Q4. This cost around $89. Compact, foldable, with an extendable selfie stick arm. Perfect for travel vlogs. Even though this is the most expensive item on our list, it instantly transforms your videos from shaky handheld footage to buttery, smooth cinematic shots. Now, let's move to part 2. AI hacks for pro results 1. AI noise reduction. Bad background noise ruins videos. Free AI tools can clean it up in seconds. Adobe Podcast Enhance. Upload your audio, and it makes it sound like you recorded in a studio. Crisp AI removes background noise in real time during recording or calls. Great if you vlog in noisy environments. 2. AI color grading. Phones often capture flat footage. AI can fix that. CapCut AI filters instantly gives your footage cinematic tones. Runway ML, AI-powered video enhancer with professional-grade color grading. DaVinci Resolve Plus Auto Color uses machine learning to balance your footage with one click. 3. AI background blur and replacement. Don't like your messy room? Use AI to fake a studio look. CapCut AI background remover blurs or replaces your background with virtual scenes. Runway Gen 2 lets you replace your entire environment with AI-generated backgrounds. No green screen needed. 4. AI editing assistance. Editing is often the hardest part. AI makes it painless. Descript edits video by editing text. It also removes ums and pauses automatically. CapCut Auto Cut detects and removes silence instantly. WiseCut AI auto-generates captions, background music, and jump cuts. 5. AI thumbnail and script tools. Want clickable thumbnails and better titles? Canva AI generate pro thumbnails in minutes. ChatGPT plus Jasper AI write engaging scripts and titles faster. This means you can focus on creating instead of wasting hours on design or copywriting. Bonus AI trick. Here's the bonus hack. Pictory AI or Opus Clip can take your long vlog and automatically cut it into short viral clips for TikTok and Instagram. It's like having an editor who works for you 24/7 for free. And there you have it. For under $150 in gear and with free or cheap AI tools, you can turn your phone into a complete pro vlogging setup. No excuses, no need for expensive cameras. If this helped you, hit the like button. Comment below which AI tool you're most excited to try. And if you want a full tutorial on AI video editors that do 90% of the work for you, subscribe so you don't miss it.